Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We're here at the boat landing off Highway 74. You can see the PD River behind me. And this weekend on the 19th, Team Lambert Catfishing will have their annual tournament, Civil War Battle on the PD. This is the North Carolina tournament weekend where catfishing teams will compete. And this will start Saturday night. Registration will be just up the road at Mad Cats Outdoors. That starts at 5 p.m. and then weigh-in will be on Sunday, and we will find out who won the battle on the PD River. Before the catfishing tournament this weekend, we have more fun here in Richmond County. At Hudson Brothers tonight, there will be a quiz show. And in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, they will have a comedy show with Ventriloquist, Trish, Dunn. And in Ellerby, the Berry Patch will have their free outdoor concert with the Sand Band. They will also have a book signing going on at the same time with local author Shannon Haywood, and 2 food trucks will be on site, and that is Wildfire Pizza and Burger Bros. Friday night, there's lots of fun in town. In Rockingham at Hudson Brothers, live music will be performed by Almost Perfect, which is a 2-man band, including our resident videographer, Robbie Singletary. And in Hamlet, they will have a launch party for the Volcano sauce beer, and that starts at 4 p.m. And then after that, music with Hamlet's Got Talent, Peter Phillips, and also down the road in Hamlet at Buie's Cotton Gin Restaurant, they will have jazz and steak night. On Saturday, August the 19th, in addition to the battle here on the PD, there will be a farmer's market at Tractor Supply in Rockingham. At Rockingham Dragway, they will have the 25th annual Big John Bracket Race. This will go on Saturday and Sunday. And across the street at Rockingham Speedway, they will have the Rusty Wallace Driving Experience. Information on all of these events is available online on Facebook event pages and the websites. That evening at Hippy Dippy Marketplace in downtown Rockingham, they will host another workshop for Fairy in a Jar. You can see more information on their Facebook page and also register for the workshop. Saturday afternoon, BowTie will be at Axe to Grind for music bingo, and then at Hail Mary's Tavern for karaoke, and DJ Roy G will be in Rockingham at Double Vision. BowTie will also be at Strikers Bowling Alley in the lounge for music bingo on Sunday. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. You can see our Google Calendar and also subscribe to receive our blog posts, which include our Richmond County Tourism Development Authority weekly newsletter that goes out typically on Mondays. This week it was a day late, but we keep you covered on all the fun that is in Richmond County. We hope to see you around town this weekend at all the many events. If not, we will definitely see you next week.